My dear children, today in this second module, we are going to study the term debenture. The important source of the company are, or the important source of the business firms are, shares, debentures, retained earnings, short-term and long-term loans, trade credit, commercial paper, factoring, loan from financial institutions, public deposits, etc. In this session, we are going to study the term debenture. Debentures are an important instrument for raising long-term debt capital. A company can raise funds through issue of debentures which bear a fixed rate of interest. The debenture issued by a company is an acknowledgement that a company have borrowed a certain amount of money which it promises to repay at a future date. Debenture holders are termed as the creditors of the company. Debenture holders are paid a fixed state amount of interest at specified intervals, say 6 months or 1 year. A debenture is a creditorship security. It is a document that creates or acknowledges a debt. The debenture holder is entitled to get a fixed rate of interest. The Companies Act 1956 defines debentures are debenture stock, bonds, and any other securities of a company, whether constituting a charge or not. This is the definition given by Companies Act 1956. This is the format of debenture issued by William Sugg and Company. The face value of the debenture is rupees 100. Then these debentures are redeemable at par on 31st December 1897. The rate of the interest is 5%. Then the amount of interest payable on half-yearly basis, that is every 1st January and 1st July the company have to pay debenture interest. The debentures can be issued for setting up a new project or for launching a new product. For that purpose, money is required. For that purpose, the company can issue debentures to public. Then second thing is for the expansion or diversification of existing project. Sometimes the company may wishes to expand their business. For that purpose, high or large amount of capital is required. At that time, company can issue debentures. Then another purpose is normal capital expenditure for modernization. Sometimes the company may amalgamate with other companies or merge with other companies. At that time, more capital is required. Then the company can. Now we are going to study the important types of debentures. The important types of debentures are secured debentures, unsecured debentures, redeemable debentures, irredeemable debentures or perpetual debentures, convertible debentures, non-convertible debentures, coupon rate debentures, zero coupon debentures, registered debentures and bearer debentures. These are the important types of debentures. The important features of debentures are, first one, date of maturity. For all the non-convertible and non-convertible debentures, the issuing company has to issue repayment to the debenture holders on the date of maturity. This date is also mentioned on the certificate, debenture certificate, and it infers the total time for which the money is invested invested by the lenders, which is interval between the date of issue to the date of maturity. To the date of maturity means redemption date. Then another point is charge on assets and profit in the case of default. The debenture holders may have claims over the profits and the assets of the company in case the company has defaulted in the payment of either interest or capital repayment. Another important feature of debenture is convertibility. Certain type of debentures issued by the company with the option of conversion into equity. That means this type of debentures can be convertible into equity shares. The ratio of conversion and the time period after which conversion will take place is mentioned in the agreement of debentures. Debentures may be fully or partly convertible in nature.